Hey guys, today I want to show you how to add checklist for your Whop products. First, log into your Whop account. Click on Dashboard, then Products. And click on this product, for example. Now, click on Paid Access. Here, choose this recurring or one-time subscription, for example. You will choose recurring. And select the amount and the period. And adjust options, so you can select a free day, free trial, and you can also add your payment options of the Whop. And that's it, guys. You successfully added a waitlist for your Whop products in few simple steps. And when you're done, just click on Save Product. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and